This video is a walk around of our 26,000-pound double-deck 4-car hauler. Now, it generally fits 4 cars, but might be more or less depending on the size of the vehicle. Up front, it comes standard with a 4-hole adjustable height gooseneck coupler, which allows you to adjust the trailer height evenly to your tow vehicle to assure both ride level going down the road. There's also an option for an adjustable kingpin coupler as well. Also available up front, there's an optional 8,000-pound commercial-grade horn wrench. If you opt for the winch, it comes with a deep cycle marine battery and an onboard 8-amp charger and tester. You simply push a button to see the status of the battery, and if the battery is low, you just lift the flap and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord to recharge. The winch can access both upper and lower decks and is a great option to pull vehicles up onto the trailer that are no longer operational. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Every Texas Pride trailer features all DOT-required safety equipment such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers. The tongue of the trailer and the main frame are made of a high-grade 8-inch by 3-inch rectangular tubing, and all of the cross beams are a sturdy 3-inch by 4-inch rectangular tubing. On the inside of the neck of the trailer, we have 2 large 18 by 18 by 36-inch toolboxes. The one on the bottom contains the deep cycle marine battery and electric over hydraulic pump that operates the upper tilt deck. The second box is for storage of straps, chains, and tools. There's also an option for a third toolbox if you wish. All of the toolboxes are lockable and keyed for security of your stowed items. On either side of the lower box are 2 heavy-duty 12,000-pound drop leg jacks with spring return for easy hookup and disconnect from your tow vehicle. The upper deck has about 32 feet of usable space and the lower deck about 35 feet of usable space, making a combined overall usable space of about 67 feet. The lower deck is 80 inches at its narrowest and the upper deck is about 96 inches wide. There's also an option for 2 front flip-outs on the upper deck to give you an extra 2 feet of length. The flooring on the trailer is heavy-duty expanded metal grating with open centers. Standard tie-down equipment are wheel straps for the bottom deck and transport chains for the top deck. There's also an option for heavier and larger hole grating which allows for you to connect the straps directly to the flooring. The running gear on this Texas Pride 4-car hauler consists of triple 8,000-pound axles standard. However, for heavy commercial use, we really do recommend the heavier 9,000-pound axle option for higher weight capacity, stronger braking, and longevity. Either way, you have brakes on all 6 wheels. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the center cap in the hub and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. Standard tires are 17.5 premium 16-ply radials with an option for 18-ply, and both come in an 8-lug high-strength all-steel wheel. This trailer also comes standard with a mounted spare tire and wheel on the front of the trailer, and also comes with the mounting bracket for an optional second spare tire and wheel. Walking around to the back of the trailer, we have the 9-foot aluminum ramps, which, as you can see, are stored in a very convenient location. These longer ramps give you a shallow angle for easier loading and unloading, and the ramps are as strong as steel, yet only half the weight. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than top-notch. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then, each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or still encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to take a look at our 26,000-pound double-decker 4-car hauler trailer.